Hello, so we are out of Gio. Ayan, ang init. Ang init today. It's like 32 degrees Celsius. Hindi ako nakapag-good morning kasi I wasn't planning to vlog kasi masakit yung aking ulo kanina. I don't know why. It's because of my nose kasi iba din yung feeling ng aking nose. Maano siya? Basta atching ako ng atching, tapos basta iba yung ano ba feeling ng aking nose. So went to GU kasi may sale sila, tapos ano na, may t-shirt yun pang ano lang, pang trabaho, pang pair ko ng aking leggings, ano na lang 190 yen na lang din. Tapos yung ano blouse na yung last time na naka-sale siya 790, ngayon 500 na lang din. Tapos yung 1,400 na damit, ano na lang 50% off na, 700 na lang din. O di ba bongga? Pero wala masyadong pang lalaki, sweet, no? Mas marami yung ano pang babae na mga damit. And then nakita ko din yung friend ko doon kasi may mga mura nga, tagha yan na lang, 100 yen na lang. Ayun. So uuwi na kami. Ang init, it's already 1 PM.
May itong bagger ko.
Yeah, aircon sa bahay. Doko. And so ang init, I'm wearing my hat kasi ang init sa labas. Grabe, masusunog yung ating face. So ayun guys, got his arm. Yeah. It's burn, baby burn. Yun. So good morning, good afternoon. Welcome in today's vlog. I don't know if I'm going to continue kasi marami pa akong tutupiin na mga damit kasi nga, di ba? Naglipat kami tapos hindi ko pa na-arrange yung mga damit namin. It's all cluttered. Sana magawa ko yun. Pero this week kasi I'm not feeling so well. Yun, uminom na ako ng gamot, tapos medyo naging okay na yung aking ang aking head. Kanina ang sakit talaga. So hopefully I will see you all later. Hi friends, good afternoon. So it's the next day. Hindi na ako nag-vlog yesterday kasi I wasn't really feeling so well lately. Parang masama yung aking pakiramdam, and up to now parang I don't know, maybe my sinus got irritated kasi hindi ko din alam, basta mahapdi yung aking mata, tapos I don't have the energy up until now. Wala pa din ako yung energy. Magpa 5 PM na pala in the afternoon. So we just went to like buy some grocery para sa week guys, and pasensya na sa aking dito, hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari dito, but I have a lot of friends here, but this one is, I don't know what happened. Ayan, so if that distracts you distracted, go men. So update on our new room. Guys, hindi ko pa natupi or na put away yung mga clothes namin kasi yun nga, I'm not feeling very well, and I'm feeling a little sad kasi yung mga pusa ko daw. Margot is pregnant, but hindi na nila alam papunta dito guys. Grabe, and I'm so sad, diba Ruki? No, hindi na nila alam kung paano pumunta. Tinatawag ko sila, minsan lang si Melvin pumupunta, pero si Margot kahit anong tawag ko ayaw talaga lumapit. Parang pag nilapitan ko parang ganyan siya. So yan, I'm a little sad about that. And ayun, there's not much to vlog today actually. Makalat pa rin dito. And yeah, I'm planning to iron some clothes, and then I'm gonna work on my channel. Yeah. medyo busy kasi hindi ko siya nagawa kapon. Konti lang tinuturuan ko si Rookie mag-edit ng video. Ayun, so I don't know kung makikita pa tayo mamaya, but let's see kung makikita pa tayo mamaya. So ayan, magpa-plancha muna tayo ng ating uniform. Konti lang yung paplantsahin ko. Yung ano ko lang, susuotin ko lang sa work. Okay, let's go! Hello, Minsawa. So, what am I gonna say? I forgot. So, I finished ironing the clothes and then I also filmed an intro and outro to a video. And now, I wanted to like edit it, but I still have something to do pa. So, I'm creating a new YouTube channel and yeah, that's what. So, yan yung ano I've been working on right now. So, I don't know what time is it. It's, I think, 6:00 na ng gabi and this is what I'm currently doing right now. I'm so busy. I just wanted to rest. Kasi, oh my God, work na naman bukas. Monday na naman. But, I just cannot rest, guys. Kasi kahapon, gusto ko ding matulog but I cannot sleep. I need to finish what I needed to finish. Ayun, pag ganyan kasi, pag may unfinished business ako, mahirap talaga matulog. So, ayun, I need to, kasi para, magamit na din ni Rookie bukas while he's still nandito sa bahay. Oh my God. So, wala pala si Rookie, guys, umalis kasi, naghanap kami kanina ng ice cream yung sa Lady Borden. Paano ba yun i-pronounce? Lady Borden na ice cream. And then, nung nagpunta kami sa Lamo, wala. Nagpunta kami sa Aoki. Meron sila, pero yung coffee flavor, ayoko na ng coffee kasi yung coffee yung kinain ko kahapon. So, I wanted a chocolate flavor. Nahanap ko kasi yung taste nung yung favorite namin na ice cream nung Magnolia ba yun? Or Nestle na yung choco. Basta yung chocolate na may caramel. Yung parang ganun. I totally forgot yung yung flavor nun. Basta yun. Kasi yung Lady Borden na na chocolate. Parang medyo hawig sila ng taste nun. So yun. Tapos napunta na kami ng Valor. Tapos kanina, nung nagpunta kami ng Kanisue, meron sila. Pero sabi ko, matutunaw ang init. May iba pa kami pupuntahan. So sabi namin, sa Valor ng Pat. Since doon sa Valor walang flavor na chocolate, lang din doon. Green tea, strawberry, tsaka vanilla. And that's iwi. I'm not in the mood of eating strawberry, vanilla, tsaka Gusto ko yung chocolate kasi gusto ko yung sa sa Nestle na chocolate yung lagi namin yung favorite flavor namin. So ayun. Kaya umalis si Rookie, nagpunta siya ng Kaniswe. So I'm just left here home. So mamaya I wanted to eat dinner, tapos pizza na naman kasi yeah, I also like pizza. I only eat junk during the weekends, guys. Yun. I pretty much eat very healthy during the week. But sometimes I treat myself during the weekends yung mga not so healthy food kasi I'm only human and I need junk stuff to survive. Oh my God, tumatawag si Rookie. I just need sagutin ko lang saglit, okay? So, dumating ng aking request from my lovely husband. This one, Lady Borden Chocoreto. And Rookie has a new toy. Oh, show them your new toy.
No.
No. Wow. It smells like Yeah. Ice cream. Kain na tayo. But first things first, kakain tayo ng pizza. Pag dito pala guys, pag bibili ka ng mga something na needs to be frozen, may libre pala silang ice. Ayan. So, para hindi siya matunaw, lagyan mo siya ng ice. Para hindi siya matunaw. Especially now that it's summer, mainit na yung panahon. And also, if you buy yung mga isda, ganyan, you need them to keep cold. Yan, may libre silang ice. So, here's our pizza. I'm just gonna add the basil and olive oil sauce. Kasi masarap to. It comes with this sauce na pala. And then also, I'm gonna add extra cheese kasi masarap pag may extra cheese. Ayan. Ito pala yung cheese na gagamitin natin, guys. This is cholesterol 60% cut. Healthy shreddo. Please enjoy this healthy shred with pizza, toast, and gratin. Ganun. Ano pala? Deep fried to? I'm not sure. Kasi may deep fried. Deep fried. Ayan. I guess we put a lot of cheese already. Ready na siya. Ilagay sa ating toaster. Okay lang yan. Ganyan yung that kind of amount of cheese yung gusto ko. So, for pizza, ito yung pizza. 17 to 20 minutes. 500 watts. So, just gonna set this to 500. And wala kasing 70. So, 17. So, ito muna 15 minutes muna. Ayan. Pero pag na-feel ko na medyo na siya, yung parang nag-melt na, I'm gonna change it to like 70 and then hindi ko na siya paabutin ng 17 to 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to eat. Our pizza's ready. We don't have Tabasco, so I just put cayenne pepper on top. Wow! Ang sarap ng lami. Kabalo ka na. Maingon sa kapag kagamay ni mo, ang sarap ng lami.
Dili. Ang ako ingon kaon na ta.
Wow. Shrimp for baon. Wow, kalami. I cannot wait to eat the shrimp. Shrimp is food. I'm so excited. So my friendship, I think that's it for today's video. I am going to sign off now because it's already 9 p.m. So I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day. All as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep a smile. And I will see you on my next video. Good night.